Hello everyone. Today we're going to be drawing different types of fish. So the first one we're going to be drawing is a seahorse. So draw a curvy body and add edges to the fins. Now add eyes. Next we're going to be drawing a triangle of fish. So add two triangles, one to signify the body and the other to signify the fin. Add water around. Next we're going to be drawing a starfish. Draw a star and then draw eyes and a mouth. Draw lines inside the star to signify the parts of the body of the starfish. Next we're going to be drawing a jellyfish. So add an ice cream scoop to make the top and then add tentacles. Next we're going to be drawing a turtle. So add eyes and then connect it to a head. Then draw a circle to signify the shell of the turtle. So then add fins for the turtle. Next we're going to be drawing a whale. So draw water and then draw a curvy body for the top. Add eyes and a mouth and then draw water coming out of the body. Next, we're going to be drawing a house. So draw a triangle at the top, add circular window, and then a rectangular windows. You can also add a door and another window for the bottom floor. Next, we're going to add a chimney, signifying smoke coming out of the chimney. Draw some bushes outside, some trees as well, and then add branches and everything else. Draw a pathway to the door at sun. Next, we're going to be drawing different types of trees. So take light green and color in a triangular shape as shown. Make it uneven so that can signify the branches and the leaves of the tree. Then take a darker shade of green and draw slightly in front of the other lighter green trees. Draw the branches of the tree and then draw the base to form the ground of the trees. Next, we're going to be drawing a little girl who will be drying her clothes. So draw the head of the little girl and then add two ponytails. Then add the dress for the little girl. This will be used to draw her hands. On either side of her, draw the hands and then connect a stick to the hands to signify her drying the clothes. Now on the other side, also draw her other hand and followed by which you will be drawing the legs of the little girl. Add pockets to the dress to give it more character. And after this, you will be drawing the dress that will be attached to the stick as the little girl can't reach the wire as she is young. So now draw the dress that will be attached to the hanger that the little girl is carrying. Now you can show that the little girl is standing on the ground and hence draw the ground. Color it as such. Thank you for watching.